Hi friend, I am Prakash Sagar. Today we are going to learn 5th class grammar topic number 4 word classes. Word classes. We know that words are made up of letters and each word has some meaning. A word, a group of letters that has no meaning is not word. A group of words has some meaning is called a word. A group of letters that has no meaning is not word. Means if we not put in proper order, so it is meaningless. We also know that sentences are made of words, that is, meaningful words. The words of sentence join together to give complete sense to the sentence. So now, dear student, I want to clear you each word in different jobs in a sentence and each word play role to the help the sentence express its sense. And according to these jobs, words have been classified into 9 different categories. These categories are called part of speech. This is a word classes we call a part of speech. The 9 classes of words are as under. So, first noun, second pronouns, third determinants, fourth adjective, fifth verb, six adverbs, seven prepositions, eight conjunctions, and nine interjections. So these are the 9 parts of speech. Today we want to learn under the title of word classes. So let's see first nouns. Noun is the name of person, place or things. What is a noun? So a noun is a particular person, place or thing. We are naming it. A particular name. So about noun. So for example, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was an an angel angel of mercy of mercy of mercy. In this example, Mother Teresa is a noun. Bengaluru Lulu is a is is a city of garden gardens. In this example, Bengaluru, it is a name of city. So this is a noun. Again, third one example, A computer a computer is a computer is an electronic machine. Electronic machine. In this example, a computer and electronic machine. Electronic machine here, sorry, machine and computer. This means here we call noun, because computer and machine, this is a thing. Here is a particular name of city, and here is the given a particular name of person. So they means through this example we will understand is the name of person, place or thing. So Bengaluru, it is a name of place, name of city. So that's why is a, we can say noun. Now next one we want to learn pronouns. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun to avoid its repetition. So dear students, instead of noun, when we use pronoun, we want to avoid its repetition. It's called pronouns. Let's see example. First, Anish came late because he had missed the bus. He had missed the bus. So here is the noun given Anish. It is a proper noun. So Anish came late because now we want to avoid repetition of noun means Anish. So that's why here we use he. He had missed the bus means he is here in this sentence is a pronoun. Example number second. Mumbai is a large city. Here also proper name given Mumbai, noun. So Mumbai. So instead of Mumbai we use it pronoun. Example number third. Vivek is a tall boy. So he plays football. So Vivek, instead of Vivek we want to avoid the repetition. That's why in this sentence we use he. So in first sentence he, in second sentence it, and again third example here he, we use pronouns. Determiners. Determiners are words that decide or limit or determine a noun that follows. They are small words used before nouns to tell which one, how many, or whose, etc. So that determiners means here is the limit or determine about noun, and they are small words before use noun. Let's see. All living beings are mortal. So here all, here using determiner. In second example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So here the is determined. As of now, Mount Everest, which is the highest peak. So Mount Everest is the highest peak. So here the is using determiner. Fourth one, we want to learn adjective. Adjective. An adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of noun or pronoun. So dear students, Pay attention. An adjective is word that adds to the meaning of noun or pronoun. When the meaning adds to the noun or pronoun is called an adjective. Let's see example. He is an honest man. Second, Indian soldiers are the best. Third, we grow red roses in the garden. In these examples, in first, honest is the add about man. Something there is the add meaning is the man. Who is that? So, and man. Who is the honest? A man. Second, Indian soldiers are the best. Who are the best? So, that soldiers. But which are that? So, Indian. So, Indian. India. It is a proper noun and Indian is an adjective. So, Indian soldiers are the best. Second, we grow red roses. So, here is the which color? So, which color roses we grow in the garden? So, red. That color means here is the mentioned particular meaning at the red color roses. So, red. So, words here, the words honest, Indian and red are the adjective. So, dear students, today we learn 4 kinds of part of speech. Remaining part of speech we will learn in next period. So, thank you very much.